Remedies presents How to use clove oil for ear pain relief. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple remedy to treat ear pain. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Guys, I have already done a video on how to make your own clove oil at home. My regular viewers must have watched it. For those who haven't, I will put the link in the description and pinned post. Please check it out. Today's remedy is very simple and it is for ear pain. Ear pain may be caused by an ear injury, inflammation or infection. The most common cause of ear pain is an ear infection. Ear pain can be unbearable, making it difficult to sleep, eat or do anything. So let's see how to get relief from this disturbing pain. Ingredients: clove oil 2 to 3 drops, mustard oil 2 teaspoons. Procedure: heat 2 teaspoons of mustard oil in a small saucepan. Transfer the warm oil in a dropper bottle and add 2 to 3 drops of clove oil to it. Now put 2 to 3 drops of this warm oil into the infected ear. Close it with a piece of cotton. It will give you relief from this pain within few minutes. Clove oil is strong enough, so be careful and don't apply it on children. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.